What are we cooking tonight, Harper?
Pizza.
Pizza. So we're frying up some sausage here to start. And then Mom went to the store to get some stuff to make the homemade crust. And we'll show you what we're doing for our homemade pizza tonight. Say, see you in a bit.
See ya. Bit.
Alright, we're going to start making our pizza crust here. We're going to use tapioca flour. Can you say tapioca, Harper? Tapioca. And what else goes in with the tapioca flour?
Italian seasoning.
We got Italian seasoning and some salt. Alright, so there's a couple homemade pizza crusts we use that we like. This one's the kind of the faster version. So that's what we're going to start with there. And use about a cup of tapioca flour, some Italian seasoning, and how much salt?
Oh, half a teaspoon or so. A little dash.
Alright, Harper, can you say tapioca? Perfect.
Okay, so you put this over the stove. This is a third a cup of water, a third a cup of oil, and then a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And you just cook it until it just slightly boils.
Okay, what kind of oil do you use?
I use avocado oil.
Alright.
Okay, and then after the mixture just boils just slightly and then cools down, you're just going to throw it in with this mixture.
You also added a little garlic powder.
I added a little garlic powder to that too. Okay, so then you stir that up, you let that sit until it cools down a little bit, and then I'll show you the next steps here. Okay, so then we're going to put 1 egg in there.
2.
Oh. Okay, we'll put 2 eggs in there. Perfect.
What are you doing, Harper?
Mixing.
Mixing? Okay.
Okay, so then we add in a third a cup of coconut flour.
Can you say coconut flour?
Coconut.
Flour?
Very.
Flour?
Very.
Good job.
Alright. Okay, so now I'm just spreading out the dough on a pan here. I have the oven preheating at 450. So once it's all done getting spread out here, we'll bake it for about 10 minutes. And then flip it and let it cook for another couple minutes. And then add in your toppings and then cook it until the toppings are all nice and cooked. And then it'll be ready. Okay, I'm going to put the sauce on now.
Can you say sauce?
Sauce.
Can you say marinara sauce?
Yeah.
Sauce?
Oh, okay. I just have some mozzarella cheese I'm going to sprinkle on.
Ew.
Okay, just have some pork sausage. I'm just sprinkling over the top now.
Alright, can you say sausage?
Sausage.
And then she's putting peppers on. Can you say peppers?
Peepees.
Good. They're red peppers. And then she's going to put some onions on. Can you say onions?
Onions.
Good job. And then she also has some olives she's going to put on. Can you say olives?
Arms.
And then there's mushroom. Can you say mushroom?
Mushroom.
Good job. So we're making like a supreme pizza. Oh, and then also she chopped up a little basil and we're going to put some basil on. Can you say basil?
Basil.
Good job. All right, there's the final product. And Harper, tell us what you think. Is it yummy? Can you say pizza?
Pizza.
Good job. Thanks for helping. Say see ya.
Cheer.